The muscle car world is about to get a serious shakeup because Dodge has unveiled one of its most aggressive and futuristic creations yet, the all-new 2027 Dodge Shadow Titan X. Designed to combine legendary American muscle with next-generation technology, this machine aims to deliver breathtaking performance while maintaining the bold attitude Dodge fans have loved for decades. From its intimidating styling to its powerful engine options and advanced cabin technology, the Shadow Titan X looks ready to become a standout performer in the modern automotive landscape. At first glance, the 2027 Dodge Shadow Titan X makes an unforgettable impression. The front fascia features a wide, aggressive grille paired with ultra, slim LED headlights that give the car a sharp and menacing appearance. The sculpted hood includes functional air vents that not only enhance cooling but also add to the vehicle's muscular character. Along the sides, deep body lines and flared wheel arches create a powerful stance, while massive alloy wheels fill out the profile perfectly. Around the rear, a full-width LED light bar stretches across the tail, giving the Titan X a futuristic signature look during both day and night. Every angle of this vehicle communicates power, speed, and confidence. Step inside, and you'll discover a cabin that blends premium comfort with cutting-edge technology. The interior is built around the driver, featuring a digital cockpit with a large curved display that integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless unit. High-quality materials cover nearly every surface, including premium leather seating, soft touch panels, and brushed metal accents. The sports seats provide excellent support during spirited driving while remaining comfortable for long road trips. Dodge has also included customizable ambient lighting, wireless smartphone connectivity, a premium audio system, and advanced voice controls to create a modern driving experience. Despite its performance focus, the Shadow Titan X offers impressive practicality with generous storage space and enough room for passengers to travel comfortably. Under the hood is where the Shadow Titan X truly earns its name. Reports suggest that Dodge will offer multiple powertrain options, including a high-output twin, turbocharged V8 capable of producing more than 800 horsepower. Power is sent to all four wheels through a sophisticated performance-tuned all-wheel drive system, helping the vehicle launch with incredible force while maintaining stability at high speeds. Acceleration is expected to be blisteringly quick, with a projected 0 to 60 time of under 3 seconds. Engineers have also equipped the Titan X with adaptive suspension technology, high-performance brakes, and advanced traction management systems to ensure that all of that power remains controllable. Whether attacking corners on a winding road or dominating a drag strip, this Dodge appears engineered to deliver excitement in every driving situation. Technology and safety receive significant attention as well. The 2027 Shadow Titan X is expected to include a full suite of driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies help make the car easier and safer to drive daily while preserving its performance, focused personality. As for pricing, Dodge has not officially confirmed final figures, but industry experts expect the 2027 Dodge Shadow Titan X to start at approximately $78,000 for entry-level performance models. Higher performance trims loaded with premium features and maximum power could easily exceed $110,000. While that places it firmly in premium performance territory, the combination of bold styling, advanced technology, and extreme horsepower could make it a compelling value for enthusiasts seeking something unique. The 2027 Dodge Shadow Titan X represents a bold vision for the future of American performance. It combines aggressive design, luxury-level technology, and extraordinary power into a package that feels both modern and unmistakably Dodge. If the production model delivers on expectations, the Shadow Titan X could become one of the most exciting performance cars of its generation.